When people walk into our restaurant, I think that they should expect for it to feel like a warm hug. I've made a lot out of kind of the humble dishes that come from this region, whose food I would describe as food of the frugal farmer. The Chef and the Farmer is about providing a great dining experience and delicious food, but it's also about really supporting our community. Our goal is to help keep Eastern North Carolina an agricultural region. So we do a lot to support local farmers growing produce, proteins, cheeses, and we want to make sure that they have a market for those items. Kinston is kind of an unlikely place to have a restaurant like this because, you know, it's fancy, and we're in a traditionally poor region. And so when we opened the restaurant 13 years ago, people really doubted whether or not the community and the region would support it. It turned out to be pretty much the perfect place for us. So growing up in Eastern North Carolina, hurricanes were always something that were on our radar. And so with Florence, I wanted to help my neighbors in Jones County, but I didn't feel as if I could plan like a huge event with a bunch of chefs and a big ticket price. So we did this t-shirt fundraiser, and we sold something like 5,000 t-shirts. Overwhelming support of it was really empowering. I think that what makes someone a great Southern chef is reverence for our history and our ingredients and how we got to where we are. I think we're in a period of time that has long been coming, where it's really important to identify and exalt the people who built and created Southern food and made it the cuisine that it is.